Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the details of the OET Listening Test Part A. If you're planning to take the test, this video will provide you with valuable information on what the test looks like, how to use the preparation time effectively, and what you need to write down during the test. So, let's get started. In Listening Part A, you'll be presented with 2 consultations. These conversations involve a healthcare professional and a patient discussing various medical topics. Your task is to listen carefully and fill in the blanks guided by headings. The questions will require you to gather specific information from the conversations and accurately complete the provided notes or forms. The total duration for Listening Part A is 15 minutes. Within this time, you'll encounter 24 questions, and for each question, you need to provide an answer. The questions and answers will correspond to the information shared in the consultations. As the healthcare professional listens to the patient during the consultation, he or she makes notes about what the patient is saying. In the Part A task, you see a set of notes. 12 pieces of information have been taken out of the notes. You listen to find the information to fill each of the gaps. The notes are set out in the bullet points under headings. The headings help to guide you through the general stage of the consultation, for example, recent symptoms, past medical history, and current treatment. Part A tests your ability to listen to what a patient is telling you and make notes about what you hear. In this part, you hear part of a consultation, but not necessarily the beginning and the end. In a consultation, the healthcare professional sees a patient with a long-standing condition for the time, such as a patient referral. In this type of first-time consultation, the patient is likely to speak quite a lot, giving the background to their condition or explaining changes they have recently experienced. In a real scenario, when healthcare professionals make notes of consultation, they are likely to use abbreviations or note forms. In OET, the notes are always written out in full. In general, the notes will use the correct medical terms, although the patient may use different words. For example, the patient might say that they have difficulty sleeping and you read in the task insomnia, which is what the healthcare professionals write. Other times, the healthcare professionals may quote the patient's actual words. For example, the healthcare professional writes a note saying describes the pain as, like a knife in my side. Following the notes as you listen will help you keep track of where the consultation has reached. Some notes will have gaps, which are where you need to write your answers. The notes may also include some untested information. What do you write down? The words you write in the gaps are words that you hear the patient saying. You don't have to change the patient's words into the medical language. You also don't need to change the form of the words. Adjective, noun, singular to plural. For example, the patient says, "I've noticed that the pain in my stomach gets more intense in the evening." The notes say, "Notices pain in stomach, 1, in the evening." You fill the gap with 1, more intense. There is no word limit for your answers, but all answers will only require a word or short phrases. That wraps up our overview of the OET listening test. Remember to practice listening to a variety of healthcare-related materials to improve your skills. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more test preparation tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your OET listening test. If you have any questions or would like to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.